Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Can-Am Spyder F3. This is the T model sport version. It's got the rear luggage, automatic transmission, 1,330 cc's of triple power. Brand new back tire, beautiful condition, metallic white, automatic, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This thing's available for just $22,999. Come on by and check it out. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, this thing is torquey. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.